Hello and welcome to Quote Countertops tutorial on Houzz. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to upload content to a project. Houzz is yet another great place to engage with prospective customers, get them using the visualization tools to then capture their information for you. So let's take a couple of minutes to locate those credentials. When you're ready, let's log in to your Houzz profile. So once logged in, you see that under Projects, there's a big button there which says New Project. Click on that. Here you click on 3D Designs for Kitchen and Bathroom. This is where we're going to select the Drawings category. Here you would choose the style of the design that you're going to upload. So it could be contemporary, for instance. Here we're going to link it to the quoting tool. We'll have another opportunity a bit further down to link it to the kitchen visualizer. So here, rather than just put your website, locate that link for the quoting tool. Here, take your time, also choose a series of tags such as kitchen remodel, 3D kitchen, contemporary kitchen, etc. And here's where you're going to add an image taken from the kitchen visualizer. So if you don't have a picture, pause the video, and then once you've located that picture, you can hit upload to add it. Here is where you're going to link the kitchen visualization tool. So your personalized URL, taking people to your kitchen visualizer. Now here you can see that Houzz restricts the length of the link. So if the link is too long, the kitchen visualizer, you can see here, we just remove kitchen visualizer and replace it with KV. And that works, both links work. And if not, you can just put the link into bit.ly. If you need help, don't hesitate to ask for support here also. And then we're done, so you can click on Done. So here you can see you now have this new project available. So from here, the consumer now can go straight into the tool whilst being on Houzz. You can have your kitchen visualizer, but you can also go ahead and follow the same step by step, create a new project, add content to a project using the bathroom visualization. You want people to interact, engage with the tools, send in their information. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video and don't hesitate to get in touch if you need any support whatsoever. Thank you.